Nobody expects a quiet academic note to cause global chaos, but Martin Luther's 95 Theses slipped out of his hands in the funniest way. He wrote them in Latin for a small circle of scholars, so printers saw a hot scoop they could actually read once someone translated it, which means they spread copies across Germany before Luther even realized they'd gone viral. And that's why a document meant for a debate suddenly became a mass market sensation. So if this twist surprised you, like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.